Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Here I have a bridge model in Revit and let me bring in the rendered model here. So what you can notice is some of the material all are concrete, but here you see a different color other than the concrete. So sometimes we accidentally assign wrong material to the objects, and you only figure out later when you see it rendered or in real mode, realistic mode. Okay. So how we can change that quickly? Let's see in this video. Okay. So we go to our Revit model, and then this one, you see, it appears it's different. We realistic and turn on the fine mode. Okay, so that you can distinguish. So here I see from my rendered Inkscape here, it's different. Okay, so let's change this here and let me show you. Okay, so we go to the Revit, and here I will select the peer and then say I have edited in place. Rather than creating a separate family, you can it's better to create a family, or we'll see later. Okay, so let's edit in place, and then once you edit in place, you have option to edit it. Right now, we are just interested in changing the concrete the material. So we just click on the structure that we were to edit in place. Okay, so once selected, here you will have material and finishes option and by category. So when you click on it, you will have an option, and from here you can search for all the materials you have, and you can change the settings and appearance accordingly. Here I need a concrete cast in place gray material, and everything has been adjusted properly. So I will just select and say okay. Okay, now it has been changed. Let's go back to our rendered view, and rendered view, I'm using Inkscape, so it's it's not yet there because we haven't finished the model. We finished the model and it's changed, and the change will be visible to your rendered model as well. Okay, let's synchronize. Let's synchronize. Here I have Inkscape, so I will just say synchronize view, and then I will say the view will be synchronized. And yeah, why it's so small? It should have been larger. Okay, so synchronize view. Okay, synchronize view, and then I see it like that. Okay, so this is how we can change the material property afterwards. And I will soon bring you a series of video where I will show you how we can model bridges in Revit. And we will learn how we can create a family so that we can use it again and again. So stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe to our channel to so that you will never miss any updates on the tutorial series. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great time.